Hello again, this is Leah Williamson with BeachsideQiGong.com. So I'm just going to run over part 2 of Tai Chi for arthritis from the front so you can see what my hands are doing through the whole thing. I'm not going to do it mirror image, but I will talk you through it. So we start here after part 1, feet shoulder width, hands in front of chest for open and close. Hands separate to width of shoulders. Hands come back to width of head. Brush knee to the right, stand on right foot, bring in the left toes. Stand on the left foot like holding a baby. Look to the right, float out the right heel. Brush over the right knee with a little half step in. Leisurely tie coat, right hand like drawing a gun, left foot steps back. Lower the hands and bring the weight back. Right palm turns up as it comes in with right foot. Rises to the chest as we step, thumb is open for a little chop to the throat. We step in, we step back. Right toe is up as we turn our waist to the right, only to comfort. Right fingers point up as we turn back to our left corner. We square to the right wall and then step into a little push. Left foot adjusts to the front. Right foot adjusts to Chi Ma. We have a breath in our open and close. And then single whip left, stand on right foot, looking to the left corner. We take a little step. We shift weight with push. Left hand stays still. We turn and open our center line to the right corner. Bring the right toes in, right elbow up. Stand on the right foot, looking left. Step into right fist under left elbow. Step back in a right cat stand or left cat stance, left toes up, standing on right foot, look to the back wall. Step out with the left heel floating down, brush over the left knee, little half step in. This is repulse the monkey. We step back with the right foot, we stand on it, bring the left toes in, left hand up, look to the front of our space, step to the front, brush knee, half step into the front. Step back on left foot. Bring up the right hand, right toes in. Stand on right foot. Hold a baby on right hip. Step left. Brush knee, half step. Leisurely tie coat. Left hand up, right foot back. Lower hands and bring the weight back. Draw hands and foot in together. Left palm is up as it rises to the chest. We step towards the left wall, little half step into the chop. Step back, left toes are up. Turn the waist to the left, left fingers turn up as we turn back to the right. We square with our left wall and step into a supported push. Right foot adjusts to the front, left foot to shoulder width once we're centered, open and close. Brush knee to the left again. Stand on left foot, turn in right toes. Stand on the right foot, hold a baby. Look to the left, step out, left heel, whole foot flat, brush knee, half step in. Leisurely tie coat, left hand up, right foot back. Lower the hands and the weight back. Bring left palm up as it comes in with the foot, rise to the chest, step with left heel, step in to chop to the throat, step back, raise the left toes, turn to the left only to comfort, back to the right. Hands are at the chest as we step towards the left in a little push. Right foot adjusts to the front. Left foot adjusts to shoulder width. With center weight, we take a breath in our open and close. Single whip to the right. Stand on left foot, face the right corner. A little step to the right corner, shift weight, give a little push. Right hand still, turn waist to open, left hand to the left corner. And then bring in the left toes, left elbow up, stand on left foot, looking right. Step with the right foot, left fist punches under right elbow. Step back with left foot. Hold a baby on the left hip in a right cat stance. Look to the back wall. Step out with the right foot, repulse monkey to the back, step into it. Left foot flat, stand on it. Right palm up, right toes in. Stand on right foot, look to the front. Step out with left heel, brush knee to the front, which is second repulse monkey. Step back with right foot, stand on right foot, bring in left toes, left hand up. Stand on left foot, look to the right wall, step to the right wall for the third repulse monkey. Leisurely tie coat, right hand up, left foot back. Lower hands and lower weight. Bring the right palm up as it comes in with the right foot. Step lightly on the heel, hands to the chest, extend the hands in a little chop. Step back, raise the right toes, circle only as far as is comfortable to the right. Back to the left corner of our space, hands squared at the chest. We step into a push. Now, left heel comes in to touch right. Stand on left foot, adjust right toes to the corner. Center weight, take a breath as we open and close. And then close the form with the hands extending from the heart. As soon as wrists start to bend so there's no strain, just let the whole arm fall down to the side slowly. Relax. In monkey stance, take a few slow breaths in stillness, settling chi. I hope it's been useful. I'm going to detail every single movement in the form so you can see it. Thanks for subscribing to this channel and stay chi strong.